Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A5x. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable TalkBack. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone and search for TalkBack. Enter it, and now switch this button to enable TalkBack. Hold down both volume buttons for 3 seconds to turn off this function. Now you can proceed with the tutorial how to use TalkBack. Basically, you have to tap once on something to read voice prompts, and then tap twice to confirm.
Allow. TalkBack. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. TalkBack off. Release the volume keys to turn.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.